Hello and good day, friends. My name is Landon with Flaman Sales, and today we're going to be looking at the Southland Highboy 20-foot flat deck trailer. The frame of this trailer is built on HSS tubing. A unique feature that Southland does on this model is they run all your wiring inside the tubing. This makes it ideal and less likely to cause damage while using the trailer. This trailer is equipped with two 7,000-pound spring axles and 235 80R16 10-ply tires and rims. This gives this trailer a GVWR of 15,000 pounds. On the rear end of this trailer, it is equipped with two engineered aluminum slide-in ramps, which makes it ideal to load your equipment from the rear or any side of the trailer. Thanks for tuning in today, everybody. To inquire or ask any questions about this Southland trailer, please contact your local Flaman dealer or visit our website at flaman.com.